My animation has been featured on The Colbert Report, The Today Show, and in Time magazine. It's been covered by The Washington Post, and it's taken me everywhere from Kickstarter hits to the U.S. Supreme Court. I'm Lamont Wayne, and for over 15 years, I've made animation that works. Commercials, healthcare, education, explainers. For brands like Adobe, HubSpot, Samsung, and PBS. Character animation with real acting, from an award-winning feature film to app content that makes people smile. And business video that gets results. A CDC series that won a Federal Innovation Award from the Obama administration. A campaign ad for a mayor who beat a recall. Training content used around the world. Whatever your story is, I'll make it move. See more at lamontwayne.fyi. Now let's make your move.